When people are hurt at work, they're immediately concerned with most likely one of two things. Number one, if I am unable to work, how am I going to get paid? And number two, how am I going to get to a doctor to get appropriate medical treatment? Um, the assumption that most people make when they have gotten hurt is that they are protected under the law and that they'll be taken care of. That they will be paid for the time that they're missing from work because of their injury, and they'll also be able to get the medical treatment that's required to get them better and hopefully back to work. And that's all true, but there is an important factor that is important to keep in mind when you've been injured at work. While your claim will be in name against your employer, the important thing to understand is that 90% of the time you will be dealing with an insurance company. The law requires that most companies, most employers have to have insurance to cover work-related injuries. And the insurance company will be paying most of the bills, and they will also be handling the claim. And the person from the insurance company that will be handling the claim if you were hurt at work is called an adjuster. So the insurance company immediately has someone involved in investigating your claim and making decisions as to whether or not you're going to get paid for time off work and making decisions about approving and paying for medical treatment. So that's an important thing to keep in mind. Even though the law states that you are entitled to these benefits, you're going to be dealing with an insurance company, and the insurance company is going to act as a gatekeeper. Now, why is that important? Well, it's important if you think about what the insurance company, what their business is. The insurance company and the adjuster, they get paid by not paying you the benefits that you're entitled to, or paying you less. So they're looking for a way to reduce the amount of benefits that you get paid, and also they're looking for a reason to deny your claim altogether. So you have to keep this in mind when you are speaking with your employer about how the accident happened, or speaking to your employer about your injuries. Same thing with if you get a phone call from the adjuster, you want to have a friendly conversation about what happened or how you're feeling, or about your injuries. You need to keep in mind that they are doing their job, which is looking for a way to deny you some of the benefits that you're entitled to, either by reducing them or denying your claim completely. I can give you an example of the kind of thing that they're looking for. Let's say that you slipped down the stairs and there was some substance. You slipped down the stairs and you were injured, and the adjuster called you and asked you what happened, and you don't know what you slipped on, and so they ask you, well, do you know why you fell? And you say, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Your claim is going to be denied. There is law regarding what they call an idiopathic fall. If you don't know why you fell, then your claim is not compensable. Now, if you had spoken to a lawyer about it who has experience, they would have advised you not to say that you don't know how you fell, but that you slipped on some substance. You just don't know what that substance is. And these are the kind of games that some of these adjusters will play to try to deny your claim. So it's very important that you understand the relationship between you and the insurance company. They do not have your best interest in mind. They have their best interest in mind, and they are trying to make money.